My favorite part is getting to interact and play with people that I wouldn't normally see outside of a classroom environment.
I like the competing aspect of the different sports that we do, and also like trying something new that I've never done before.
I really like the 5-on-5 basketball. I feel like it's the most fun to put on. There's a lot of people that come and it's a really high energy atmosphere and it's a lot of fun to be at.